First, visit https://erasure.com and head to the iPhone Data Eraser page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To wipe an iPad clean, run the software on your computer. Connect your iPad to your computer via USB cable. To wipe your iPad data clean, click the Erase icon. Tap Medium to select a security level, low, medium level, and high level. After that, click OK. Enter Delete to the designated field, and click Erase. Click OK on the pop-up, then the software will begin to erase your iPad. After erasing, the software will reboot your iPad. Unlock your iPad if prompted, and click Try again. Now, the software will overwrite your device. Please don't unplug your iPad during the process. It will take some time, please be patient. When finished, your iPad data and settings are wiped thoroughly.